So standing next to me right now is a duo I literally grew up listening to. I am so excited. I'm going to try my best not to fan out too much. I'm not promising that I'm not going to fan out. But guys, it's Mafikizolo. It's the Nhlanhla. It's the Tiego Sinkwe. What more can I say? Guys, I know books are trending right now and books are the thing, but I don't want you guys to read a book about your lives. Yes, we love your lives. We want to hear your story. But the main thing the industry needs right now is a textbook. The perfect comeback according to Mafikizolo. Guys, when I heard the story of how you guys heard the beat of Ukona, that Maporisa literally played it by accident. Like, what do you guys think of that situation?
I think it was an accident that was supposed to happen. I think it was God ordained. God bless that we had to stay longer to listen to other songs that were there. And we could have said no to that song, but we believe that, it was God sent. That's why we said yes. And immediately when we heard it, we were supposed to go home, but we decided that we'd rather go home late. We have to record this song before they change their mind,
Guys, I wish I could sit down and we can talk for hours upon hours upon hours. But thank you very much, guys, for coming through to Ebubeleni 2017. I enjoyed your performance. Thank you and I wish you guys like 20 more years, hey? Like, I want my grandchildren to be dancing to Mafikizolo music. Can you please just promise us that?
They should be dancing to Mafikizolo for many, many more years to come. The album is still brand new. We have a new album. People should know that we've released an album called 20 as part of the celebration of our 20 years in the music industry. It's still brand new, still very fresh. People are enjoying Love Portion. They're singing along to Love Portion, sung in Xhosa and English, and people are loving it. And I just want to say to our fans, when you celebrate with people, you come, you bring gifts, so bring those gifts, buy the album.
Kings Amar, let's do things right. All hail Kings Amar. Welcome to PE, yo.
Hi, what's up with you guys?
Oh, we good. Is this your first time in PE?
No, I think this is my second time. The first time I came for radio stuff, and I promised to come back to perform, and here I am.
Okay, next time you're coming through to my show with this
Yeah.
radio stuff,
Yeah.
we need to be out here on my show.
Yeah.
Friend, your set was next level.
I
We
hope-
even saw you dance.
I know, I hope it was next level. I mean, I enjoyed myself, genuinely. So yeah, man, I think the crowd was just really listening and being very super attentive. I get that a lot when I go to shows and people are like, oh my gosh, you're actually singing. So yeah.
Right, so what's your favorite thing about coming through to PE? Because you did say this is your favorite time, the second time.
Yeah, I think it has to be the sea. I know the sea is everywhere on the coast, but there's something about PEC. It's nicer somehow. It's not overcrowded, and there's actually rocks by the water, and that's so amazing to see. Because usually you go to places and there's lots of sand, which means lots of people.
I'm hoping for a video by our seas, and I'm gonna be out there on a cameo on some.
I'm pretty sure we'll shoot a video this side. Yeah.
And on the lineup, who are you looking forward to seeing the most?
Java.
Java.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. And obviously Mafikizolo, I love how they perform. I love their music. I love them. I really do. I love them.
Ghana girl say she want marry me, yo. I hope say she sabi kukuwache. Hope your love go sweet past she thought.
As you can see, Ngoku, I'm no longer backstage. That's because I'm mingling with the right people. Zigwe VIP Mshana, say hi.
Hello, dear.
What's your name?
I'm Nonkululeko.
Nonkuza. Right?
Right, but I'm Kakulu.
Yaqaluza ku Ebubeleni this year.
Ndiyaqala mtshana.
And how are you loving it?
Yo, I'm enjoying it. I'm over the moon. My dear.
I know my mom's gonna be proud of this. I'm standing next to a legend, a woman who is just a pioneer of so many things. Mamle Tambulu, hello. Mama, when I was asked to interview you, I said to myself, wow, what is the first thing you're going to ask such a legend? She's done so many interviews. She's spoken to so many people. What's the first thing you're going to ask? And do you know what I thought? Because I grew up on your music. I was like, ask her, are we at Uhuru?
I want to believe that we are getting to that point. You know, as long as personally I still see people, I have a problem with that, you know. And this is a very rich country. We've got a lot of resources that could be helping our people, whom I think Uhuru will come when there is no one.
Mama, is this your first Ebubeleni Festival?
I'm telling you, this is my first, and I've never seen so many people in my whole life.
20,000 people in the audience.
It's amazing.
20,000 people. Tell us about the energy of the crowd. Did you enjoy it? How was
I love
it?
the people, I love the energy, but I have to be honest, I love also the organization. The organization here is one of the best that I have been to. The organizers say,
Tatu Kaifa Simenya doing the most on stage. Nganam, what's your name?
I'm Zoal, Dingumzwan Lekreza from Cape Town. I came here to watch Umamule Tambuli, Tatu Kaifa Simenya, Amanda Black. I'm enjoying myself.
Is it your first time Ebubeleni?
It's actually my first time in Eastern Cape.
Wow, so wait, did you come specially for this?
Definitely. Because I grew up from such. Metro FM was playing such, so I was like, I need to listen to this live before the legends depart from the world.
I told you, Ebubeleni is big. We're doing it the 6th time around. People who've never even come to the Eastern Cape are coming just for this day. You better watch out for it, my man. We had to move inside because Mvula was trying to ruin a vibe, but no weapon formed against the joy that is Ebubeleni shall prosper. Standing next to me, this for me is an absolute dream come true. Utatu Kaifa Simenya. Tata, Molo.
Molo, Tata.
Are you good, Tata?
No, I'm fine, Wena.
I'm very well, thank you. Tata, your set on stage was absolutely amazing. First things first, I have to say that. What made you, when they called you and said, we would like you to come down to Epai again, what made you say, yes, I am there?
Well, because the last time I was here, I was really impressed with the organization. One thing I can tell you about Ebubeleni, these guys are very organized. Abanye abantu, you know, they kind of discourage you because the organization is not too good. Umamtendi is dynamite, and the sun, they are really dynamite. So I came because I just wanted to come just one more time before I put all my energy into the academy next year. I don't think I'll be performing next year.
So, is this, I think, guys, I think this is an exclusive. Are you saying this could possibly be your last year of performance?
Yes.
So this is probably even like tomorrow, the day after tomorrow is probably the last performance.
Well, I'm doing one in Potchefstroom on the 1st, and that's it.
And that's it. I'm so glad to have witnessed one of the last performances of Tata Kaifa Simenya. Tata, what did you think of the crowd and your set while you were performing? How were the people?
No, the crowd is good. The crowd here, Eastern Cape, you know, they are very attentive and they listen, you know. And I must say, I'm really amazed that so many young people are in the audience too. And Batan's music great. That's very encouraging, and also it's a blessing.
Do you get shocked when people my age sing along to your music?
That's what I'm saying, which is, you know, you look at young people and they sing the songs that we did like 20, 30 years ago. It's amazing. But that's why I think it's a gift from Utitro. You know, it's not everybody at my age who is followed by youngsters. But I can say Tatu Hugh Masigela is the same, Tatu Bangwa, Umama. So we're really blessed.
You guys are really blessed. Tata and Yabulela, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Tata.